What are we looking at? What do we see?
This right here is why we don't crawl in that. Don't scream at me. You did this to yourself.
Do you love it?
I have to clean the barn out. No.
Hey, do you know how to get to Kanab from here? That way? All right, thank you.
Look, Reese.
He's got a big face.
Fucking cruise it that way.
This guy's huge. You'd be a good steak.
Hey, Big Mama. Ow, you bitch! Fuck you!
Come here. Come here.
It's because I'm leaving on my terms. Got it? Okay.